Usha dzangu kukwira ndo. Kwa asha dzangu dzikakukwira.
Ndakutowa asha.
Ah, usamira.
Tofemera padinga.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Asha dzangu dzabativu.
Toma dzakunga memwe. Isi simakusai bata chimanya kutsvaga address payada ita ngoita zvakaita.
Acha tisingazivi. Okay. Ndipo kana. Klabazo. Zima. Not even. Mas sabe, in the break. Was the Mafura? In break it up. Kadika up, cut cigar over and go. You can also be so fair now. And wake up. And then free to go to chap. Get free to into a church actually. Papa and Chateau Gunicana of Gar. Chateau Gunicana of Gar. Apa nak?
Baca kamera sekarang sama isi. Kamera mketa shutamba duits bandaro bifa. Mu bifa. Mukasa bifa lutsi ba kamera. Tiri vangani kwa pasikoni kwa tiri pane vanhu. Kati buri. Apa panoburitsika here apa do? Apa budi kuno kene. Munoisebedza mberi mchana. Zviri sei. That's 5 level. Yeah. audzire kuti tasvika shayairai sakuda kuchienda pamba pakeka zvakuda kuchitanga manje hasha dzangu dzakutokwira zvekamera izvi handichatombodi kana kuzvibata kana kuita sei ndakusiyira zvese ndasiya nemafoni ndatombosiya mafoni angu mota because auzi panobhuyiwa mafoni anorashika. So let me turn camera. When the businessman. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Dimo machero. Dimo muna umeri matupina. Okay. Anza arikuya. Takamirira munhu ari kunotisiya pamuji bosi wake ndo vatakamirira. Takamirira bosi moya mozobata mobata ndozoendawo kutoilet. Takamirira bosi wake ndo vatakamirira. Ndatizvona guys, ndatizvona musazorwadziwe kana maona kamera musaioni because ndatova nehasha inini zvekamera izvi handichatogoni kuzvibata. Pana tongosvika panzvimbo ndotohwa kudedera so ndosika ndisingadi kuti muone fesi yangu. Hai hanzi riri palive riri kuti kudi hanzi kudi ari mumba make here pambed hanzi kudi ndokubasa kwemuji wacho ndokubasa kwemuji wacho.
When you were speaking there, you give me water. You forgot. Okay. Your husband, he knows me very well.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, how are you?
Gosh, I'm fine.
You are fine?
Yeah.
How's things?
He's on his way. I called him when you called me. He went to posters. So he will be here now.
Okay.
But I was the safety show.
You what?
The Windy President show.
Yeah, it was okay.
Tapinda kubawa kwa bosi wake. No, handimbokunyeperei ndokunyepera ichi. Handimbokunyeperei tapinda muna bosi wake kwa yeye mujiti. Pana mujiti uda kuti atiendese kumba kwacho.
Water. And you, sister.
There is a small baby.
Water.
I think it's
Water.
Water.
And my sister is coming. My big sister. Mina, I just want water. If you have black label, if you want to give me just black label, Nyana, you can give me, no problem.
Can. Or bottle.
Court.
Okay, later from.
Yeah,
she will
I
tell
want
me
court.
now.
Yeah, if you can give me black label, Nyana, yeah.
Are you the one I'm speaking to?
You know, it's my sister Mina. I'm the second one. Work with your husband there.
I saw your picture online
Yes.
on Facebook too.
Yes.
She put it there.
Yes. Yeah.
That
So,
woman is crazy.
yeah, this one is my big sister.
Yeah, I saw her.
Yeah, yes.
Hello.
Hi dear, how are you?
You'll be here right now.
Oh, okay.
What do I offer you?
You know what?
You said black label.
No,
water.
me, I'm not taking anything for now. I just want to see this lady. You give me a drink when I'm coming from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should
For
I
now,
bring yours
even
now?
food, I can eat anything.
Should I bring yours now?
Yeah, black label, ne? Chimboona inini rega ndibovabvisa kumuona.
Baba vacho vari kupi kutomboita zvokunzi gariswa pano nemhaka iko.
Hanzi apa yedu tori palife zinguru.
Live ipi?
Kumba kupedzi kwake.
Okay. Better shall to respect you. Better to respect you. We don't expect that from you. To respect you, better. Urumo wedu shokdar. Better no better. Urumo wedu shokdaro. To respect you. Respect us, please. Aisitombo nguva yemajosanzi mumusati tamsitira nguva atina mbokudedza kuti uya panapa. Hatina tombokudedza kuti uya uone ndewe. Tirespecte uri mumwe wedu zvekudaro. Usadaro. Usatodaro zvako. Usiya akadaro. Usatodaro zvako Betha. Usatombodaro zvako Betha. Tinogona tongotangana ipo pano. Usatodaro zvako Betha. Usatodaro zvako Betha. Ndanetsa nekungojairigwa everyday nevanhu izvozvezvo. Oh yeah. Ndiye.
Ndiye.
I thought that you are playing. How are you?
No, I don't play. I don't play.
So you cast me out. You cast me out. This one has life. That one.
Hello.
So, Angel, how are you? How's it? So, I'm
Bossa. Boss wake.
That's why you are the one.
Somebody just sent this to me on WhatsApp. This lady here. What is she saying?
No, she's saying that
she was talking. She was talking about this artist guy.
Yeah.
She said she's booked a match.
She want to support the dog.
I came with me and you approach him.
So it's you who introduced KwaChihera to him?
The first time, right? The first time.
Yeah.
Before she came to me.
Yeah,
to come and talk to me about
the number for
ideas.
And then I give them the advice. I say, this one I invite you to a show for Freeman, Killer T. If you still remember, Captain Park.
Go.
Can we just go there, my brother? Let's go there.
Yeah, I went to that program also that day. But
let's finish with the FS, then you can come back and talk.
The money for Windy.
Yeah. No, for talking vibes. Everybody knows that.
You don't understand what she's saying.
I don't understand.
And this why she's speaking. He said talking myself. He wasn't for me. He's talking nonsense. Yeah.
Are you sure you will not tell me that?
You can't do nothing.
Talking to
No,
you can't do nothing.
I can't do nothing.
You can't do nothing. Okay, someone we are going to his room
he saw it already.
We are going to his room now. It doesn't have even a coach.
But he doesn't
Only that this
What's my phone?
They are selling.
Only this one.
This thing they have.
Let me show you.
You don't see
Let
him.
me show what people are doing
Only
together.
that.
They have only headboard.
Why
That's what it only pays.
You know when we
As
got
Anna
to
Chun, I'm going to
Lisa,
head
that
to
day we
Cheto
got
and Bama.
to Lisa, the show was not full. She was busy running around here, coming to check if the show is
I just want to know why she's involved in me. Because me, I didn't even know your husband. I've never talked to your husband.
Yeah.
But you know,
Why
it's
is
for
she
that
involved
show.
in me?
I worked very hard.
No, my security is tight.
My shoes. I left my shoes there.
Are you sure she will still do this program? And to even worsen everything, you know when she went to go and put their program? This our VIP is bigger than that place.
Triwangan, guys.
You know when she went to go and put this program?
I want to put it to one.
This is our VIP.
I didn't put it.
I still remember when I did
They're up there.
Kelly, famba back. Usainde kumberi kwekamera. Famba kumasure kwangu. No, usainde front of camera. Famba kumasure kwangu. I don't want you to.
No, I will come and see. Yes, you come back. Let's go there.
But by this time she's sleeping.
Unok.
She doesn't sleep at all.
Unok.
She do like
Unok.
For her to go online and say me and her, we are drug suppliers in Rustenburg. That's too low.
Yes.
Is that what she said?
Yes.
That's the reason why I'm here.
Yeah.
That you are supplying drugs.
I am supplying drugs in Rustenburg. Me.
She's learning.
No, she's defaming you people. It's not like
Exactly.
it is a defamation.
Exactly.
Yes.
You can even arrest her for it to come and put evidence. That's what I'm telling you.
Arrest it won't work.
It will give her more popularity.
Yes, and I'm not going to be the section.
Triwangan.
She booked the match
No,
and she booked the match with us.
We are going with
we are
food.
going.
With food.
He said
Man, the police they arrest
Kelly.
me.
she's taking drugs.
You don't have
Yeah,
plastic.
she's
She's the
taking.
one taking
She
drugs.
said I am the one who is
You don't have black plastic.
the drugs.
Black plastic.
We can drive.
I want to
I
put.
don't have
What do you want?
I want to put
No,
my-
it's closed, auntie.
Okay.
Kelly,
Police.
One
can you
way.
please stay with Nana?
Yeah,
Stay with the baby.
Yeah.
No, one way.
So when are you gonna police? Yeah.
It's a bit far.
Kilometer.
But I can do an Uber.
No, we can use the taxi.
Okay.
I can drive.
Yeah,
you can use our car.
Now she's saying this one mustn't happen.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Like, we have contacted the security company, that will stay here. Even a female that will start females.
But if you do it, I can do it.
Sit front.
Maybe my friend said that now on Friday I can arrest her.
Go and sit front.
Before the program, I can put her inside.
That woman, you know she's crazy. She has not met a crazy person like that. And that's why I put that program before hers. You know, that's what is making her mad.
That program, I can even arrest her before the program. He's not going to be there. He doesn't have a paper. He doesn't have nothing. He's staying in the street there.
How many are we?
Aiwa imbomira izvozvo vasikana, imbomira izvozvo vasikana, imbomira izvozvo, chimbomira izvozvo, imbomira izvozvo.
Vakufona vangati tiri kuita fani, vakufona manje tikutoenda. How many we are guys?
Hanzi musadidi imbomira kundifonera muchibvisa zvinhu zvisina basa risi.
Musafone kuko vanhu vari kufona muri kufonera
vanhu vanenge
vachimbomirai kufona vanhu vari kufona muri kufona.
Let's give an example one.
Imbomirai kufona.
Yeah.
Yes, English is English in me, Mus. I'm not an English woman.
And then I just give her advice.
Yeah.
And then I say, no, you get the profit once.
I spent more than 50,000 in that program.
So myself, my brother, I want to know why I am involved. Because me, my brother.
Yeah.
I said, be careful, even the dance. Be careful on Sunday. Because there's someone who's going to perform there.
Yeah.
Ime anoitiwa seiko hana zvanoitiwa kana.
Yeah, he told me. He said, no, we already put there. Okay, now.
People, they can come. But let's go to another venue.
Yeah.
And
Actually,
then,
safe party, Papa Nukazi.
Yes.
I'm a problem. Even here, that guy will ask me,
Yeah.
you tell the very good. No, but if
Everybody having a problem with Kuchihera like this. Everybody.
Are safe,
having a problem with one person like this.
Don't worry, guys. Are safe.
and then she said that me, I tell that guy.
Me, my brother, I want to know why she's involving me. She's saying me, I took the contract from you. Yes,
Which contract?
I don't know. I only spoke to you yesterday, and yesterday you were even mistaking me for this one. You were even mistaking me for this one yesterday.
Why is she?
I
If it is money, it's the one supposed to sort me out. Why is she crying?
Say because this guy, this Nigerian guy wants to work with me. You are the one who disturbed everything. Me, I started speaking to you yesterday when I got your number from Maya.
That very night, I didn't saw you again.
I was there, but it was we were two. So yesterday when we were talking, you were mistaking me for this one.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because this one I saw her.
Yes, because I didn't stay long there. So why am I getting involved?
Yeah, I know that flag there.
Yeah, that flag.
I know that blue one.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I know what she stays. Sometimes.
No, it can't go. I will first, me and one person will first go so that they can be able to open the gate. Yeah, they respect me. They are more than years, more than.
So
understand park here, yeah. So,
no, let me park opposite.
Park here behind.
Because they're actually staying in this room.
Yeah, yeah, those 2 rooms.
Where it's open.
Yeah, the 2
Smell
rooms.
Park
here.
Hello. Marty? 1 person. Okay, this guy. Mina. Hey, come close. Toto inda ndinda totanga. Okay. So I must wait. Ndakuhasha guys. Camera ichantesa ubata. Ndakunzwa hasha guys. Ndakudedera nehasha ishi. I don't know what it is. Ndakudedera nehasha guys. I really gambo bata life. Wirimbo bata life. There's some plus. Bata life ndakusheka nchagona ubata
Kuno kukonta sama. Continue.
Nchagona ubata phone.
Azuri.
Ndapamuni someone abate phone. Ina nchagona ubata phone. I'm checking guys.
My brother, I can't bless you. No, don't but I can't.
kwaChihera mesmo. Ando telefone ini. Sai.
Abate phone. Ndibata. Okay, ndabata phone. Nice.
Chihera buda, Chihera. Evidence dauya, ndine buda. Buya. Urimo mungu apana kukiwa. Akishukira mkata. Kirimo, burato. Kirimo burato.
Iyo kiri kono kwa kakika kati ona yodora chona hivi kakika
Aiwa Chihera takakukamekisha mwana atingeta zvinhu fair. Let's play it fair. Ini ndambo zata ndishikiri ndosvika ndega because Chihera apana pakuzofamba ndinewe uda hako tingopedza makoti pano andika totandira ipapo uda zvako because uchakuvara chete hauna shuya uchaita ndoda kutokutaura hauna shuya uchaita udambo
anogara ipapo mwana aendi kuchikoro mwana
She's there. She's playing. She can supposed to come out. She's there.
She's there. The key is inside. She's there. And that lady Baba said the kids are you booked a next because you mentioned your I am taking it over. You have to put them the way you have so that I have to go to once. You lied in front of people. You lied. Everything was a lie. I brought you over. I wanted to come and ask you over if I have ever spoken to you up until yesterday. Come out here. Come out. Come out.
He says she's the one that paid everything. It doesn't have even spoon for eating. This one.
She said she's the one who paid everything when she was telling you.
Understand?
Yeah.
Let her come out. Let her come out and see.
Yeah.
She wants to come
Yeah.
out.
Let her come out so that you see the questions.
Yeah.
Only that frame of page.
Only
that
shit.
is the use.
Yeah.
That is everybody can do. That is.
Yes.
It's the one that
Tell me
I
what
spent for something like that in that program. You see how I managed to succeed in that
Yeah.
The other one by listen,
I want
we
to
have
show
to
you
prove
and
that.
I'm going to give you an example about wheelchair. It is here now.
Me, I don't have it. That's why I have it.
arimo mukati guys arimo hake mukati mukana arimo kiacho zvinondokuradza sei
Let's go live.
Pinda live ubude one yako kamera iyo ki
Let's go on. Call the police here. Call the police.
I can call police by myself.
Yes. Call the police. Call the police. Chimboenda kumusha ichi. Chekese shikore kumusha. Chimboto siba kumusha. Ndakumutsa sisa kumusha. Call police. Call police.
I can call police for her. So this thing.
Call police.
Yes, call police.
Nakenda kumbao. Call police.
Call police. Hasta kuda uchitaura. Yes.
Ghostile munhu wakauraya. Ghostile munhu wakauraya. Anetaka buda.
You see,
You like ndokutuma inini kuti tukani ndakaboda kushamisa panyadzo dzakachaira iwe ndakaboda kushamisa unoshandisika iwewe unoshandisika iwewe ndakutuma inini kutsvakati iwewe chera why were you lying uda kutoa
arimo mukati anambotisa arimo mukati arimo mukati
I said, let's stop these people. Let's go. Let's come out now. Let's stop this thing. Yeah, make it.
beta mutofonera polisi yacho iwe pani auye titaurirane beta mufonere polisi hello beta mufonere polisi iuye pani kuti auye titaurirane ari pani chitoni nani beta to police.
You know what? Because
it's better to call police.
She can run, but she will not hide. When I book a meet with somebody, my brother don't know me. This is the type of a cat that I am very busy with someone. But the moment she said on live, I am selling drugs on social media.
Yeah.
That's when everything went wrong. Because I'm defending my brother. I've got a house in Gothenburg. Yeah. You know what is happening with us foreigners, right? I've got South neighbors. Yeah. But you know what's happening with us foreigners? They will just come and defend my house. Or put necklace on me.
Hello.
Sisters.
We are fine.
We are looking for Jay. She's there, but she's not.
You don't want to come
Yes.
I don't know. I got to go with her. I'm gonna. I don't know what to
Hey, Anma. Labude, tipedzerane masiku. Okay.
So now why you have to protect it? Why you have to help warrior?
No, can I phone the police? We are at our police.
No,
I better to phone the police. Waramba, you want to say,
what's my record tonight? I'm not sure I'm going to. Hey, what do you need to say? And the last time I was street in a social media, in the last time I was on social media every day. The last time now, she told my mother to do that social media. She pulled up to my machine and took her, looked over there, and she had to tell us. You know what ground here? I need to and you started you are always come out. Come out. Come out. Say what about damage? Come out. Hello. Hello, brothers. Come out.
We're not positive one.
I don't know for the police. Wait, ciao.
This is between me and Sheila. Between me and everything.
No, look at the team one here. Now, why are not
killing him?
So, your brother one here.
The moment you are going to tell them to they were going to tell us to join them as a present baby. This is it was fine. But what can you tell them? Do not think some dog or cat or irascible paya. Just take care of Zimbabwe. Shall we tell them anything? Man, this is the most dangerous. Just take care of Zimbabwe. By your life. By your life, Rumbo. By your life. By your life. By your life. I'm going to Sheila, you are a bully. You are one of the guys.